This right here is the SPINO E1 robotic pool cleaner brought to you by Mammotion. Now imagine diving into a pool that's always crystal clear without the daily annoying back-breaking work of cleaning it yourself. This is where this hyper cost-effective, user-friendly, entry-level pool cleaning robot comes in. That brings you pure pool, pure joy. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to freedom with its tangle-free cordless design. With a one-touch start and 5 different cleaning modes, the SPINO E1 makes pool maintenance effortless. Whether you need a quick touch-up, an eco-friendly routine or a deep turbo clean, this robot got you covered. And even though it is very budget friendly, you still get a fully fledged companion app to control it. And even better yet, behind its design is serious power. A triple brushless motor system delivering 5,800 GPH of suction, intelligent path planning and also the ability to scrub floors, walls and even the water line. Add in 210 minutes of battery life and obstacle climbing agility, and you've got a robot that handles every corner, every aspect, every detail of your pool with ease and precision. This right here isn't just a pool cleaner, it's actually your ticket to more time enjoying summer fun. It's the ultimate hassle-free pool companion. So yeah, looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. New drip. Got the new drip from Mammotion, the SPINO E1 pool cleaning robot. And by the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out. So here we have the box, great looking box, actually very light, 2 nice carrying handles on the side. Looks like that from the top. Here we have this side and we also have this side. More cool features on the back side. And lastly this side, again, very nice carrying handles. So let's open it up. So on top, as you can see, we have an informal quick start guide with all the contents inside of the box. And the back side also has more information about it, so check it out right here. Working modes and also very detailed product overview. And underneath here we have everything wrapped up, so the charging cable, brick, as well as more paperwork. This bag, great padding as well that we can just lift out like that. And in here we also have the hook, another bag, and now we can already grab the robot and pull it out. Great handle. And other than that, the box is now empty, so let's move on right away. We already know the quick start guide, so here we have the hook that will fit any of these pool poles. Then of course a very strong charging brick that you can also wall mount, looks great in gray with the SPINO brand on top. Here we have the connector that will connect to the pool robot, and of course a nice and long cable for the wall outlet right there. And then we also have the, well, this envelope right here with more paperwork inside, namely the dedicated product guide. We have this on the back, 1, 2, 3, and the rest is already multi-language. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. And here we have it, surprisingly light, great handle. We can remove this right here. Let's see if there's something else. I love the shape. It looks really cool. So check it out from all sides. It actually looks amazing. Very futuristic, like a hypercar spaceship. Nice tracks as well as a cape-able bristle scrubbing everything, well, everything off. And back here we have the compartment. Oh yeah, and in here we also have the yet another bag, and we can also pull off this and this. And yeah, let's move on. Let's take a close look. So that's the filter basket right here. Absolutely premium looks. That's a perfect part right there. Really awesome. Nice closing mechanism, and it will fit in right here. And check this out. Here we also have all the small print. Product weight, so just 9 kilograms. Very light, especially for this amount of power. So back in, and then we can close up the back lid. That's the device from the top with the outlet on off button right here, and very nice handle right here, comfortable. We have very cool details, the name of the device right here, and here on the side the tracks with these nice hexagon design elements as well as blue highlights. Other than that, the robot is kept in black and white, but as you can see we also have a few yellow details. Then on the front we have the SPINO again with the dual bristle, 2 elements right here. Then on the other side, same as before, tracks, really nice design highlights. And then right here from the back, here we have the charge port. You can charge it up right there. And also the opening mechanism. So when we pull this up, and we can open it up, otherwise it's tight. And lastly, the bottom right here. So now we can check out the bristle in full detail, and we have the streamlined design that will feed into the filter basket, of course. And we also have these rubber elements that will make it easier for debris getting sucked in, as well as mainly keeping the stream coming from this side. So all in all, a really cool pool cleaning robot. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app and then of course test it. So here we go, check it out. A large pool with a bit of debris right there on the bottom. So this should be interesting. Actually, there's a lot. This can easily handle sizes much bigger than that. And the setup is as easy as charging it up. And now we can already check out the app. The app is called Mammotion from Mammotion, a premium app. So let's open it up. And first of all, we need to sign up. So let's give it all the permissions. Select the region just like that, then paste the mail and send the code, right? Meanwhile, we can agree here and paste the code, easy as that. Set the password and let's go. Let's enable that, give it all the permissions for the location and for Bluetooth. So we have the devices tab, we have the service tab where we can access all the user manuals as well as get in touch with the support. And we have the Meet tab right here where we also can connect to Alexa or Google Home or other smart home platforms. So let's add a device. Next, we need to turn on the robot by just pressing and holding the on-off button until it will beep. The LED light will light up. I'll show it to you in a bit. Let's refresh. I'm a good 5 meters away from the robot, but here we go. So it was found, let's add it. Great signal strength even at large distances. So we get a little tutorial right here for the all mode. Then we have the floor mode, the wall mode only, and also an eco clean. Really dope modes. And we also get the cleaning modes explained when we click on this question mark right there. So even with really nice visualizations. And when we click up here, we can also set up a floating widget, or we can also enter the academy where we have more material for reading up, but that's actually not even needed because it's really intuitive and self-explanatory. And before we test it, when we click up here, we have live signal monitoring, also the Wi-Fi right here, network settings, so we could also connect to Wi-Fi, but that's fine, we will just do it over Bluetooth. Here we also have all the notifications, tips, errors and others. This will get filled up over time. We are pretty much all the way charged up, and that's pretty much it. So let's test it. We do have a stained water line, but this is extremely hard to get off. You can't even scratch it off with your nails. This permanent discoloration won't change, but we do have a lot of stuff for pickup on the floor. And when we turn it on, we also have the status visualized by this beautiful bar right there. And when we click, we can also cycle through all, floor, wall, and also the eco mode. So we don't even need the app. And first of all, I just want to test the floor mode and then revisit what we can pull out of the pool quickly. Then we will go for an all around full cycle. So let's go. Floor, it's activated. And now we just need to drop it in, wait for it to sink to the bottom and then start. It will of course detect the water and then start up automatically. And as you can see, the robot will actually start immediately. So check this out. That's how it will move. Advanced path planning, great debris pickup, thanks to the strong suction power. And right there, we're perfectly set up to capture this pickup right there, sand, debris, and now look at that. It's all gone, perfect result. And it will do that for all the rest that has accumulated inside of this pool. And we will check back in a bit with the full filter basket. So it's a good 30 minutes later. And as you can see, that's plenty. The pool is now looking perfect. So let me pull it out and review what's inside of the filter basket. I already prepared the hook. So straight into the handle, and it will also detect when it's out of the water, of course. It's very light compared to other models. It's very easy to lift it out. So here we go. By the way, the app connection will only work when it's outside of the water. And as you can see, we still have 78% of battery left. So this can go for a very long time. Now we can switch to all. But now let's check out what we got inside of the basket. Wow, awesome results. Wow, that's a lot of sand right here. So this will filter out everything from large to small debris, leaves, stones, you name it. It's now all in here. Cleaning it is as simple as that. Just rinse it out with a hose and it's all gone in a matter of seconds. just like that. All right, so let's close it up, back in, close it up, and we are on the all setting, and let's dump it back in. And let's watch a full cycle. So now you know what that will look like. It will do the walls first and then the floor, and it will self-park for easy retrieval. And as you saw from the first test, a good 30 minutes is plenty for the daily maintenance to get out all the stuff that accumulates on the floor. And if you want to go for the deep clean, just like that, you get a deep scrub of the whole pool. And that's what the wall scrubbing looks like. Check this out. Climbing up the wall and then all the way up to the water line, staying there, scrubbing a bit, just like that. Awesome. So, massive thumbs up from my side. The SPINO E1 is an awesome pool cleaning robot, absolutely epic. So as you saw, excellent build quality as well as hardware with a really cool and unique design, and all those features and capabilities for such an incredible price point. It is so much better than the competition in all regards, especially in this price segment. I'm amazed. Top tier value right here. Great companion app, and Mammotion just always brings amazing value to the table with great looking devices and a top of the line ecosystem. And with the SPINO E1, pool cleaning becomes refreshingly simple, from automatic waterline parking for easy retrieval to fast water filtration that also makes it lighter to lift. Just every detail is designed for your convenience. And the maintenance is also stress-free thanks to the top-loaded filter basket. The roller brush is detachable, and even the smart app controls for updates and also battery monitoring. The SPINO E1 is built to last, crafted with premium UV-resistant materials, also saltwater durability up to 5,000 ppm, and the motors are tested for over 2,500 hours of operation time. It's waterproof, it's protected, and ready to serve you season after season. No matter your pool type, whether it's fiberglass, concrete, vinyl or tile, the SPINO E1 ensures a spotless result every time, in any case, across any shape and any surface. So I spent hours scrubbing when a faster and smarter solution is right here. With this you will experience the perfect balance of performance, durability and ease of use, and all of that for an entry-level price. Pure pool, pure joy. And that's of course definitely the repeat, so check out the product links if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it, and I will see you soon.